Now we shipped a lot of 13900K plus 1490 builds, but not many quite like this. And all ROG build that looks it came out of maybe a Terminator movie or something. It costs around 5 lakhs. The build has already undergone stress testing benchmarking and it's ready to ship to Bangalore. These are the specs on the screen. So what else sets this build apart? The Asus ROG Hyperion GR701. Even the name is not so cool. लेकिन जब Asus ने हमको बोला this is coming to India, we just knew we had to get our hands on it. मतलब who wouldn't? Now it has two front Type-C ports which supports 60 watt of charging, 420mm support both the top and in the front, and vents all around. And needless to say, cooling wasn't an issue. Also, dust is not an issue because it has secret weapon, dono side. Now on your screen are the temperatures of the CPU and the GPU. Thanks to the trusty cooler Ryujin 360mm, it's actually running pretty cool. Now the person who was buying this wanted a 4K gaming PC that could handle all major titles for the next half a decade. Hence, it's kind of maxed out. Not only did he max out his entire build, he did not hold back on his peripherals. Radiator V2, Razer Brothers extended mousepad, Logitech G512 mechanical keyboard. Sweet. And the monitor we have chosen is a Samsung G7 28-inch 4K 144Hz IPS panel with HDR 400. But back to the case though, it's a very convenient thing to build in an inbuilt GPU anti-sag support with vertical GPU mount. The strips of RGB here and there definitely stand out from the competition. If you look inside, this display right here has the ROG logo carved into it to give you the ROG feel. There are these slides near the PSU shroud for holding your stuff. I mean screwdriver, and of course there's another compartment for other stuff. It's actually for screws, bro. Also, Asus made sure to include a 7-point fan hub with 7 RGB headers. Therefore, this kind of cost on the higher side will set you back by around 40K. If you're looking for a hassle-free custom PC experience in India, no one does it better. 3 years of doorstep warranty and lifetime tech support. Get in touch for a free consultation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe कर लो, please share भी कर लो, मस्त build है.